Hi everyone, Esteban here at FlexPipe headquarters. Today let's talk about the wire housing we have available. Comes with the housing cover plate, so it's going to be very nice to go ahead and protect all kinds of cables, wiring, anything you want to be able to organize and protect. This is a good way to go about it. You can go ahead and cut this with an utility blade. You can pretty much just score it and essentially kind of snap it off. It is plastic, so you can snap it off. You can use a saw as well. Just make sure you know how to use that saw properly, and always safety first, wear goggles. But like I said, you can get away with a lot just using the utility blade. It has these little snap breakaway fingers, so you can get more custom if you needed to. You can take those out depending on how big of a space you need. So that's a nice plus. It already has the perforated holes here to go ahead and install to any structure that you want. Very easy to do so. The way that we recommend to do that is going to be with the FLQ, which is the little accessory here that we can go ahead and fix to the pipe, and then we'll have a flat to flat for the housing to be able to get installed properly. And we're going to finish that off with a self-tap metal screw. So that's pretty much the idea there, to go ahead and feed this through the slot, and this is going to be your little setup installation here. Okay, so easy as that. Again, we can go ahead and use this for all kinds of setups. In this case here, I have a lift table here, a hydraulic lift, so I went ahead and used it to house the actual cables for the feet that are going to lift up the table. So I went ahead and used it in this case here to go ahead and protect those cables. So this is a nice way to do it. If you have lights as well, then this is another example here that we can show you here, where we're using, again, the installation with the FLQ with the 5/8 self-tap metal screw. And then we're able to feed the cables. We can feed them in different breakaway fingers depending on the tabs or whichever you want to use. And then from there, feeding it to wherever your power source may be. So again, if you need something to go ahead and protect your cables, your wiring, to organize your cable and your wiring, essentially, if you have a bunch of cables everywhere, it could be a little bit cumbersome to have those all around. So again, this is just a nice way to go ahead and organize everything. Okay, so suggested hardware, like I mentioned, is going to be the FLQ and the self-tap 5/8 self-tap metal screw. So that is it for today. Love to see what you guys are going to do with this, and I'll see you guys for the next one.